Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you installation procedure for terminal based typing practice software called termtyper, and I will give a demonstration. First you need to install Python 3 from python.org. Please install latest Python 3 even if your system comes with Python installed, because we want Python to be installed at user level. Otherwise we will have some issues like getting permission errors. This software works on terminal, so you need one. If you are a Windows user, then first you need to install Windows Terminal from Microsoft Store. For a Mac, Linux, Unix users, Terminal is there by default. Now let's install termtyper. I am assuming that Python installed with pip in your system. Now open your terminal, then type the following: pip space install space termtyper. That's it. Termtyper is installed successfully. To find out the usage, let me type termtyper space dash dash help. As you can see, this termtyper command can be used with three optional arguments. Termtyper space dash h for getting this help message. We can also use termtyper space dash dash help just like I did. And termtyper space dash dash version shows the version information, and termtyper space dash dash upgrade will upgrade to the latest version when it is available. Let me type termtyper space dash dash version. So we have termtyper 2.0.1 version. If I type termtyper space dash dash upgrade, here we got like a termtyper is up to date as we just installed the latest version of the termtyper. Now to start application, you simply type termtyper on the terminal. It will start. Here is the interface. By default, we are prompted with a 1-minute challenge with text made from top 500 English words, with on-screen keyboard to see the typing effect. Once you type any key, timer starts. If you want to pause the timer, then press F4. To resume back, press F4 again. If you want to refresh, press F5. That will give you brand new challenge. You can resize the terminal window for all systems except on Windows. If you keep the terminal window too small, it will display the message that terminal window should be at least 120 by 36. That means it should fit 120 columns and 36 rows. We can customize the challenge with 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute and 15-minute tests. We also have a different language options. Let me show you. If I press F2, then we will see this interface. Here you can navigate up and down using up and down arrow keys. Let me select 2-minute challenge. Simply press return or enter. It will get selected. Here we can press F1 for more language options. Okay, let me press F1. This is the interface. If I am on English category, then we can get text that is made from top 200 English words or top 500 English words or top 1000 English words. Here we can also get text from famous movie scripts. Here we have Toy Story, Shrek, Happy Feet, Titanic, Lord of the Rings, Harry Potter, Moana, Frozen, Kung Fu Panda. We can get text from these 9 movies. If I am on programming category, then we can get text that is made from keywords of various programming languages. Here we have a lot of languages like C, CPP, CS, you can see. We can also get text that is made from these programming languages. Here let me go to English category, then let me select Kung Fu Panda by pressing enter or return. Now we can go back by pressing B. Now again let me select 1 minute challenge here. Now let me navigate to Go, then press return or enter. My typing speed sucks. I'm very slow. Let me show you. Here is the result. I've taken 1 minute test challenge. My speed is 24 word per minute. If I press F6, then I can see my performance statistics. Here is my statistics. Total time in minutes 1, top speed word per minute 24, average speed word per minute is 24, and here histogram is also showing 1 bar. Here everything looks boring because I don't have much data. But if I have 40 plus days data, the statistics and histogram can look something like this. All time statistics, month statistics, week statistics, day statistics. Now we can quit from here by pressing escape. If we want to continue with another test, we can press return or enter. Let me press return here. One more thing, you can toggle this on-screen keyboard by pressing F3. If you press F3, it will go away. If you press F3 again, you can get it back. I'm hoping that you will have fun using this application while learning to type speed. By the way, I know the author of this software. That is actually me. Thank you.